Welcome back, children. So we were doing the usage of the. Now again, I will repeat. I will just revise that article A and article and we have done. Now article the. Now this is called as the definite article. Why? Because when we use the while talking about a definite or a particular person or thing. Understood? I hope you are understanding a particular person, particular thing, particular place, or particular building. Understood? So we are talking about that. There we use the. There we use the. For example, I live in a house. I live in a house. Now why I have used a here? Because it is one. Second, house is beginning with H. H is a consonant. Understood? And it is not specific. Understood? And it is not specific. मैं specifically नहीं बोल रही. I can live in any house. Okay. I live in a house. But when I speak up and when I say the house where I live, I'm talking about that house. Okay. The house where I live is in Kalka. If I speak this, now I cannot use a here. A house where I live is in Kalka. Now I am specifying it. मैं उसको specifically बता रही हूँ कि कौन सा घर. Particular. I am telling it a particular house where I live is in Kalka. Understood? The house where I live. The house where I live is in Kalka. I'm specifically talking. Definitely I'm talking about that house which is in Kalka. That is why I use the. Another example I will give you. There is a boy sitting under the tree. There is a boy sitting under the tree. Now the boy, I have not used the here. I am using a here. There is a boy sitting under the tree. He can be any boy. Understood? He can be any boy. कोई भी boy हो सकता है. Understood? कोई भी boy हो सकता है. But when I want to specify it, I will use the. How will I use? The boy sitting on the tree is crying. Now this is specified. Now मैंने इसको specify कर दिया कि जो लड़का actually जो tree के अंडर बैठा है वो रो रहा है. Specifically that boy. Understood? The boy sitting under the tree is crying. Now another example I'll give you. I have many shirts. Shirt का example आपको दिया था. I gave you the example of shirt. Okay. Understood? I have a shirt. Not many shirt. I have a shirt. I have a shirt. But when I speak up, I have the black shirt. That means I'm specifically telling that the shirt is in black color. The black shirt. मैं black shirt के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. Understood? I'm talking about the black shirt. I'm not talking about any other shirt. I'm just talking about the black shirt. I hope you are understanding. Understood? So, the is used while talking about a definite or a particular person or things. It is used for special names of places, rivers, mountain ranges, books, monuments, etc. Now I gave you the example the Himalayas. Himalayas कोई दूसरा हिमालय नहीं हो सकता है. So the Himalayas, the Yamuna, the river, Yamuna river. In this world, there cannot be a second Yamuna river. Understood? The Guru Granth Sahib. It's a holy book of Sikh. It's a holy book of Sikh, and we call it the Guru Granth Sahib, the Holy Bible, the Gita, the Ramayana, because they are only one. The Gateway of India. Gateway of India, ये monument कहीं और किसी और जगह पे नहीं हो सकती. It's just one which is in India. The Gateway of India. Understood? I hope you are understanding. But एक और एक चीज़ आपको ध्यान देनी है. You will not use it with common nouns. आप ठीक है. For example, आप the Mumbai नहीं बोलते हो. You don't speak up the Mumbai, the New Delhi. No, you don't speak up the New Delhi. Do you speak the Haryana? No, we don't speak the Haryana. The Punjab, we don't speak. These are proper nouns, name of the states. We don't use the with them. Understood? We don't use the with them. Now we also use the with one of its kind. What does this mean? For example, sun. There are no two suns here. Sun एक ही है. There sun एक ही है. It's one of its kind only. So that is why we use the sun. We don't use a sun. A sun का मतलब ये हो जाएगा इतने सारे suns हैं. ठीक है? We don't use a sun. We use the sun. The moon. The moon. Earth has only one moon. That is why the moon. Sky. The sky is only one. The sky. We use the with one of its kind. जो भी जिनकी जो एक एक ही kind होती है. Sun. We don't have any other sun. Moon. We don't have any other moon. Sky. There cannot be two skies. There are only one sky. Okay. So the sky. I hope you have understood this. Thank you so much, children. And I will do the exercise. One exercise I'll do with you, which will be this one. Okay. Now put a or an before these words. Now you know that where to put a and an. You know the vowel sound and the consonant sound. So first, this is consonant. It should be a book. Second, this is wall. This is wall. Then an ass. Now this is wall. This is a wall. A, an artist. Sorry, this pencil is not working. An artist. Okay. F. This is consonant. So a fox. A fox. D. This is consonant. A doll. Okay. This way you will do. This way all you will do yourself. Understood? Now exercise. This you will do in the book. Okay. Then exercise F. Fill in the blanks with a and the. Now you have to do with you have to put a and the. Yesterday we bought. It's a consonant and it's not specifying, so it should be a. Yesterday we bought a new clock. Look at dash clock on the wall. Now this sentence. This is specifying. This is specifying. ये डेफिनेट एक ऐसी घड़ी की बात कर रहे हैं जो एक्चुअली वॉल पे लगी हुई है. ओके. लुक एट. इट शुड बी नॉट अ. इट शुड बी द. लुक एट द क्लॉक ऑन द वॉल. अंडरस्टूड? थैंक यू सो मच चिल्ड्रन.